Welcome to my deep conditioning and moisturizing routine. So I'm going to use this treatment. This is from TCB and I'm going to mix it with my moisturizing cream because I want it to be more moisturizing. I'm also going to add olive oil at the end. So if you haven't seen how I wash my hair, I'm going to link that video. I wash my hair in detail and share with you tips that are going to be very beneficial, especially during your wash day. So we're doing this on freshly washed hair. Make sure that you wash your hair really well. You need to get all that dirt out. Now this is the time to put in all the moisture that you've lost. So now all you need to do is to add your deep conditioner. As I said, I'm mixing my deep conditioner with my moisturizing cream. And one thing I want you guys to understand is when you wash your hair, your cuticles, your hair cuticles are open. So you need to take advantage of that by adding in your deep conditioners right then, because now when the cuticles are open, that's when your hair easily absorbs each and every product that you put on it. And that is why you see I'm very heavy on my products. I want every single strand to be coated with this treatment and this moisturizing cream, as well as the oils that I'm going to be using. So this is a very crucial step which you should not miss, because this is going to either make or break your hair. So you need to understand that your hair is going to be in a protective style for the entire week, and you need to make sure that your hair is well moisturized throughout the entire week. Even if you're going to remoisturize your hair, this is going to help you to keep that moisture well and to keep it balanced. So that is why you need to make sure that you deep condition your hair after you've shampooed your hair. You can also condition your hair after shampooing and then deep condition. It's actually much better if you do that, but for me, I prefer not conditioning my hair and then deep conditioning, because I feel like it's just the same thing. So I prefer just doing a good deep conditioner instead. So now, as you can see, I'm applying it all over my hair and I'm making sure that each and every strand is coated. Now this is the olive oil that I'm applying on the ends of my hair. So this is going to help with my ends. They're going to be soft, they're going to remain moisturized, because the ends are the oldest part of the hair and they tend to get dry. That is why you see I'm very heavy on this product. So I need to make sure that my ends are very well coated. And another thing is, you notice I have not applied this deep conditioner on my roots, because if you apply this on your roots, it's going to cause lots of build-up dandruff and it's going to clog your pores. So avoid applying it on your scalp. The next step is to just steam. You can use a plastic bag or a steamer, whichever way. Just use heat if you have low porosity hair, or you can just stay like that using a plastic bag for about 30 minutes or 40 minutes. For me, I stayed under my steaming cup for 30 minutes and then rinsed it out. So now I want to moisturize my hair, and it's just a simple way. I'm using my moisturizing cream, I'm using shea butter and my olive oil. So that's it. Those are the only 3 ingredients that I'm using, and my cat is there in the background as usual. So yeah, just enjoy looking at her and seeing what I'm doing to my hair. So in my previous video, I did tell you guys that I stopped applying oil or butter to my scalp. So I decided to start doing that because I started getting dry patches, so I need to avoid that as much as I can. And what I'm doing here is I'm applying shea butter on my scalp. As you can see, I'm trying to pull my hair so that I can be able to put my fingers inside my scalp. So I just find this is the easiest way for me to apply this shea butter to my scalp or any oil, and I make sure that I massage it really well so that it can melt into my scalp, because if you don't allow the oils to melt into your scalp, they're just going to flake, they are going to cause dandruff. So just make sure that the product is penetrating into your scalp really well. It's just like applying your moisturizer on your face. You need to make sure that you rub it really well and make sure that it is well absorbed to your skin. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm making sure that each and every part of my scalp is well coated with shea butter, and I'm not using a lot. I'm just using enough. So since I started doing this, I've been getting less flakes. I actually don't get flakes anymore, and my scalp is not as itchy as it was before. So the reason why I'm using shea butter to apply on my scalp, to moisturize my scalp, is because I find that shea butter does not clog my pores, and when I use olive oil, it does. It clogs my pores and I get flakes, and I also get an itchy scalp. So as you all know, shea butter is non-comedogenic, so it does not really clog your pores, and that is why I prefer using it. I actually use shea butter on my hair, my scalp, and also my face. So yeah, I love this. I love it so much. So when it comes to moisturizing my hair, I'm using the LTO method, liquid, cream, then oil. So the liquid is just the water. I don't actually use leave-in here, so I'm using the water that is already on my hair. Then I go in with my moisturizing cream, then I apply the oil. So as you can see, I have not applied shea butter to this because already my cream, my moisturizing cream, has shea butter to it, and it has so many oils to it, and it's very moisturizing. So that is why I'm not using shea butter in this. Then I follow it up with my oil, which I only focus on the end, so I don't actually apply a lot of oil. As you can see, I was a little bit heavy-handed when it comes to this moisturizing cream, but don't worry. Even if it looks white right now, it's going to dry really well, and it's not going to show any flecks or any kind of white stuff on the hair. Then after that, I just put my hair in plaits, which is the protective style that I prefer being on as my hair dries. Actually, this helps my hair to remain stretched, and it actually protects my hair. So I just love these plaits. I also love twist, but these plaits are amazing. So after that, the ends, I just coil them. As you can see, the previous video, I just explained to you guys what I really do, and this prevents my hair from getting single strand knots, and it keeps my hair, my ends, moisturized for long. So yeah, so I'm going to show you the next sections, how I do. Still the same. The first thing I do is I actually apply water to my hair if I feel like it gets dry. Then I follow it up with my moisturizing cream. Then I seal the ends using the oil, the olive oil. That's it, guys. That's the only thing that I do. And then I allow this hair to dry at least 2 days. My hair actually takes longer to dry, so it takes me, I think, 1.5 days to dry. So that is why you see I don't actually show you guys how my hair looks the day after. It takes me like 2 or 3 days to show you how my hair looks like, because that's when my hair is completely dry. Now this is me 2 days later after my hair is completely dry, and now this is how my hair looks like. And as you can see, the ends are very moisturized, the hair is very moisturized, everything is perfect. As always, when you're taking down any kind of protective style, make sure you apply an oil of your choice. So I'm using olive oil here, and I'm applying it on the hair. Then I start taking down the plait. I'm carefully taking it down because this is where you're prone to breakage. You need to make sure that you protect your hair from getting any kind of breakage. Yeah, so now this is how my hair looks like, and just look at how shiny, how bouncy, how moisturizing, how moisturized that hair looks. And this is what I go for every single time I'm moisturizing my hair. And I can't get to this point if I've not deep conditioned my hair if I've not moisturized my hair completely and allowed these products to penetrate into my hair. And as you can see, my hair is still soft, and this is 2 days later. My hair is still soft, and it can go like this for more days, but I prefer not to allow my hair to get drier or to get even dry even just a bit. So I'm going to moisturize it again, but I'm going to be very, very light. I'm going to allow it to be a light moisturizing routine. So what I'm going to do is to just apply a little bit of water, massaging it into my hair. Like I told you guys, my hair is low porosity, so it needs help, especially when it comes to remoisturizing your hair. So I make sure that I massage that water into the hair, making sure that each and every strand is coated with the hair, it is well hydrated. So after that, I take my moisturizing cream and rub it on my hands just to make it warm a bit, and then apply it on my ends, because you need to focus mainly on the ends because your ends tend to dry a lot quicker. So I apply it on my ends, then I work my way up. So I'm going to make sure that I massage it really well, make sure that my hair has absorbed these products. After that, once I'm done, I take my olive oil and then seal the ends. And that is it. That is how you remoisturize your hair. That is actually how I remoisturize my hair in between my wash days. And this is going to keep my hair moisturized for I guess 4 days or 5 days, or even till the next wash day. As you can see, the hair is very, very shiny and it looks moisturized and it's so soft. After that, I'm just going to put my hair back in a plait. And if I want to rock my hair, it's going to have an amazing braid out. It's going to be soft. It's going to be moisturized. So I don't really have to moisturize my hair, not unless I feel like my hair is getting drier. And most of the times I cover my hair using a silk or satin scarf. Especially when I'm sleeping, you need to make sure that you cover your hair using a satin or silk scarf, or just use a satin or silk pillowcase to avoid your hair drying out. And that is it. That's how I deep condition, moisturize and re-moisturize my natural hair. You get to enjoy a moisturized, soft and healthy hair throughout the entire week until your wash day. That is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and comment down below, tell me what you think, how your moisturizing routine is, and what would you add to my routine if you wanted to. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural hair videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.